My dear children, welcome to the EVS online class. Hope you all are fine. Have you all gone through previous day's topic? What did we study in our previous class? Yes, we started a new lesson, force, work and energy. And we discussed about force and the different kinds of force. What is force? A push or pull that act on an object is called force. And which are the different kinds of force? Force of friction and force of gravity are the different kinds of force. Hope you all have studied well. Today let's discuss about work. What is work? When we use force to move things, we do work. Pushing or pulling a book and pushing or pulling a table. Which one is more easier? Yes, it is pushing or pulling a book. It is more easier than pushing or pulling a table. We have to use more force to move a table. So you do more work in moving a table than in moving a book. So work is said to be done when the act of push or pull moves an object through a distance. So we do work when we lift a pencil, push a table, play football or run. We do not do work when we are standing at a place even when we carry a heavy load on our head. So work is said to be done when a push or pull act on an object moves the object through a distance. To make our work easier, we use several simple machines in our daily life. For example, a pair of scissors are used to cut a packet of milk. So here the pair of scissors is a simple machine that helps to do our work easily. The pulley, the lever, wheel and axle, inclined plane and wedge are the different simple machines. Let's study about each one of them in detail. First, let's discuss about lever. It is used to cut things, lift weight and open lids. Scissors and bottle openers are examples of lever. Then second one is pulley. It consists of a wheel with a rope around it. A pulley is used for drawing water from a well. It is used to lift the bucket of water easily. Wheel and axle is another type of simple machine. It consists of a circular object called wheel. A rod called axle is attached to its center. This arrangement helps the objects to move easily. Examples are doorknobs and screwdrivers. The next one is inclined plane. It consists of a sloping surface. It helps the objects to move up and down easily. Can you say one example for inclined plane? In the park, you can see a slide. It is an example for inclined plane.
Truck ramp, playground slide and wheelchair ramp are examples of inclined plane.
The next one is screw. It looks like a nail with a thread around it. It helps to hold things together. Actually, screw is an inclined plane that is wrapped around a central rod. Then the last one is wedge. The wedge consists of a sharp edge made by two inclined planes placed back to back. It is used to cut objects. Examples are knife, axe, etc. So these are the different types of simple machines. Hope you all have understood today's topic. Read textbook page number 23 and 24. From notebook, study question number 3 and 4 from fill in the blanks, 2 and 3 from name the following and question number 3 from answer the following. A test paper is attached along with this. Do the test and submit it. Study well. Let's meet in the next class. Thank you.